e-commerce domain Amazon application based on microservice architecture to develop the different microservices. Welcome to China DevTech YouTube channel. E-commerce domain Amazon application. What are the core modules? E-commerce application core modules. These are the different microservices to develop the Amazon application. One is user microservice for the user registration login roles of the users. Product service have the product filters. The cart microservice add the cart, update the quantity, remove items. Order service place the order history, order status. Payment service through UPI, credit card, COD, payment status. Inventory service, stock management, warehouse details. Notification microservice through the message in the email, SMS, WhatsApp through. These are the microservice want to develop the based on Amazon application. In detail, discussing the user microservice, have the fields, user ID, unique ident for each user, have the unique ID, first name, last name, email of the user, mobile number, password, role of the customer, customer or admin, seller. Status is active, inactive, blocked, created it to update it, login, those details, to track it. User profile example, join the customer, how the member since to created, lost login, user roles, customer, how the customer or admin seller based on user roles, user status, user is active or inactive or blocked state. For the next microservice, that is a product service, have the product fields, name, description, price, stock, name of the name of the product, name of the description of the product, price, stock. These are the product service fields. Next, cart microservice have the different fields. Cart ID, this is the unique ID, user ID also unique ID, status active or inactive, the status providing, total items, total price, currency, discount, delivery charges, estimated delivery date, grand total, total savings. How, for example, select the three products, headphones, smartwatch, water bottle. These are the total items, price, delivery charges, discount, grand total. These are the cart microservice. Next, order microservice have the different data. Order ID, unique ID, order ID and user ID, cart ID. Three keys have the unique IDs maintained. Order status, confirm, created or confirmed, shipped, delivered, cancel, status of the order, total amount, discount amount, taxed amount, shipping charges, grand total, currency based on the country, order summary, confirmed, shipped, out of delivery. This is one product, total amount, discount, tax, grand total, currency. This is the order microservice. Next, payment microservice have the fields. Payment ID is a unique ID, order ID also unique ID. Payment method through in the UPI or credit cards or debit card, net banking, COD, cash on delivery. Payment status, it will be success or failed or pending. Transaction ID for the products, amount of the product, payment date, it can be successfully paymented, payment of the total amount, payment ID, order ID, through the payment mode is UPI, payment status success, transaction ID, amount to payment date. Thank you for that. This is the payment microservice, have the entity fields. Next, inventory microservice have the fields. Inventory ID, product ID, these are the unique ID for each products. Product name, seller ID, this is a unique ID also. Total stock, available stock, reversed stack, solid stack, reversed order, max stack label, warehouse ID. This is also unique ID. Created it, updated it. Are the example of the inventory service. Inventory summary, total stock, available stock, reserved stock, solid stock, reorder label, product details, warehouse ID, location, capacity. This is the inventory microservice entity fields. Next, notification service, notification microservice have the fields, notification ID, user ID are the unique IDs for the fields, type of the notification, email or SMS or push, title, order is confirmed, message, order ID, status, that order is pending or sent or failed, priority for the order, low, medium, high, channels, email, SMS, push, WhatsApp, reference ID, template ID for the notification, created date, sent date, updated date, the channels, so email, SMS, push, WhatsApp, notification flow, pending, sent, failed, example of the notification, order confirmed, sent, key benefits, real-time notification, multi-channel delivery, reliable and scalable, tracking the monitoring. This is the notification microservice entity fields. Next, these are the microservices we want to develop. Next class, I want to develop the one by one microservices. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, China DevTech YouTube channel. Please subscribe, share, like, comment. If any doubt, comment box. I want to reply the in the comment box. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.